In front of me is CUBOT X70 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then select this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Click on Google Password Manager and select any password that you wish to edit. Now enter your current login method. Select Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!